Celtic art. The Celts came to Britain from Central Europe in about 12,000 BC. They were a collection of tribes who shared similar culture, traditions, language, and beliefs. Along with new ideas about religion and culture, they also brought a new style of art. Celtic artists were fascinated with circles and symmetry. Early Celtic art contained spirals, knots, and animal shapes. The triple spiral, known as the triskelion, was a common design in Celtic art during the Iron Age too. Skilled metalworkers embossed or engraved these patterns onto tools, weapons, armour, kitchenware, ornaments and jewellery. Bronze was still commonly used, as well as iron, silver and even gold. From around 500 BC, Mediterranean influences began to show up in British designs. Curved lines, zigzags, serpent heads, owls, wild boar, leaves, palm trees, vines, lotus flowers, trumpet shapes and triple spirals were all common Celtic designs during the late Iron Age. The magnificent Battersea Shield, dredged out of the River Thames in the mid-19th century, was made around this time. Following the Roman invasion of Britain in AD 43, Roman designs slowly replaced Celtic designs. However, Celtic styles of art and design survived in places such as Cornwall and Scotland, which were never really conquered by the Romans.